Hello, I'm Mihaela from IreneCore.com, and today I want to show you how to create new Joomla profile fields using our extension. Select Profile Fields menu item and let's create a new profile field. First step is to select field type. We can create calendar, checkboxes, color, editor, email, hidden input, integer, language, list, radius, spacer, text field, text area and URL. Now let's create one example for each type. Start with calendar. If you have multiple languages in your site, each field can be translated in your language. For example, let's type a value for French, for Italian and for English. Add a name for this field. This value will be HTML input name. Here we can write field description. Save and let's check this. This is our calendar label with English language. If you change the language, you can see that label is changed to Italian language. Now let's create another field type. Select checkboxes. Type label for French, Italian and English. Add a name for this label. Let's add options for each language. And save. We can see Italian values, French values and English. Now let's create a new field type. Select color. You already understood multi-language support, so let's type for English. Field label, name, save and check. Perfect. Let's select another type. Editor. Field label, name. You can validate editor content to HTML, add columns, rows, width and height. Save. Our editor is here. Let's create another field. Select email. Add label and name. Validate input to email and you can add a size for your input. Save and check. It's okay. Let's add another one. Integer. Add label and name. Type start value, add last value and increasing step value. Now let's save. We can see it here. Let's create another one. Language field type. Add label and name. Here we can see our language select field. Let's add another field type. List. add label and name, and type list options. Each option must be typed on different rows. Save, and let's check. This is our list. Let's create another field. Radio. Add label and name. Type radio options. This is exactly like list field. Each option must be typed in different rows. Save and check. Our radio field is here. Let's add another type. Spacer. Add label and name. If you want to use this spacer field like a text, let this option to no. This text can be used when you want to start another group with fields. If you want to add a line spacer, set this option to yes. Like this. Now let's create another field type. Text field. Add label and name. Validate the input to string. Save. It's here. Now let's add another type. Text area. Add label and name. Validate to string. And add text area columns and rows number. Now let's save and check. Our text area is here. And now let's create our last field type, URL. Add label and name. Validate to URL and save. Here is our field. This is your custom Joomla profile fields list. If you want to add all these fields in another site, select all and click export button. Resulted file is a CSV that can be imported in another site using our extension. Let's import a couple of fields. This is our file with two Joomla profile fields, favorite color and your site. Let's import this file. Click import button, upload our CSV and run the import. We can see favorite color and your site fields listed. Let's refresh our front page. Here they are. All these custom fields are saved in our extension database tables, but they are also created in Joomla Profile plugin in Profile XML file. If we open this file, we can see our custom fields. If for any reason this file is replaced with Joomla original file on Joomla Upgrade, for example, from Profile Fields page, select all, click Recreate Fields button, and all these custom fields will be recreated in the new Joomla Profile plugin XML file. You can delete a custom field by selecting it and click Delete button. For any question, please contact us on our forum support. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.